One of the best ways to optimize your services for consumers is to build an application for your business. Apps make everything more streamlined and easy to work with, especially when dealing with complex websites. Looking at the face data, creating a mobile application for your business might be a good idea. Hello everybody, today we're going to discuss 3 ways to find out if your business needs an application. However, there are also other factors that you should keep in mind when it comes to app design and development for your business. Many smaller businesses often make the mistake of creating an application for the business without doing the proper research and then getting disappointed when it fails. The 3 ways to find out whether your business needs an application or not is: number 1, does it provide more value than your website? Before even thinking about designing an application for your business, you should first review your website. You should ask yourself, is it optimized for mobile users? By implementing your proper SEO and website design strategies, you can optimize a website for smartphones as well. It will save you from having to build an application. The second would be, do you have a loyal customer base? Another thing to consider before designing an application for your business is whether you have a loyal customer base that will always prefer your products over the competitor. While most companies like to think that they already have a loyal customer following, it is more complicated than that. The third would be the nature of your product or service. Your product or service's nature is the primary factor that you should consider when it comes to app design for a business. In most cases, a consumer downloads a particular application because they mean to use it often. You can review your business's products or services and look at how frequent a customer purchases from you. If you own an e-commerce store, then an application could be necessary. Still, the same cannot be said for loyal services that a consumer might seldom need. Next time you're faced with deciding whether to design an application for your business or not, keep these factors in mind to determine whether it is necessary and practical. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.